Yes, guys, today we are going to continue with our lesson on operators, and today we are going to see about the logic operator. Last time we saw the arithmetic operator. So on logic operator, we are going to see only two operators. We are going to see what we call the AND, and we are going also to see what we call the OR operator. So these operators are really powerful. C sharp, they are really powerful. They can help your program to perform a logical task. So let's go in our Video Studio 2010 and see this. So in our uh, Video Studio, here we are. So we have this number 1 that is equal to 9, and we have number 2 that is equal to 8. So let's start first with what we call a operator AND. What we call the operator AND. So as I said, the logical operators, it's an operator that takes, can take two Boolean expressions and can return only a Boolean expression. Can take two expressions, but they must be Boolean, and this operator can return only a Boolean. And here we have a Boolean expression, and here we have a Boolean expression. So we have to compare the first expression and the second Boolean expression by using this operator AND and return the result that will be also a Boolean. So what the AND does, the AND can compare the first expression and the second expression must be true. That means both of them must be true to this expression to return true. But if one of the expression is false, that means AND can return false. Let's check this one. So we say 9, number 1 is equal to 9. So here we are trying to check 9, is it equal to 9? Yes, that means this expression is true. Let's check now the second expression. Number 2 is equal to 8. But here they say that this 8 is greater or equal to 10. Is it 8 greater or equal to 10? False. That means the first expression is true, but the second expression is false. That means this AND operator can return a false. So let's come now here and check. Here they say that 3 is greater to 2 and 3 is equal to 3. That means the first expression is true and the second expression is true. Now our operator can return true. Let's put it in the console and see what we can output. Result is true. And let me just copy this, I'm sorry, and say that the second result is this one. So we are going just to concatenate, to put 2 here and see what we can have. So let's okay, let now try to print. Boom. You see, the first one is false. Why it's false? Because the first expression is true, but the second expression is false. And according to the rules of for the operator AND, whenever one expression is false and one is true, that means the operation can return false. So even if both of them they are false, that means the operation can return false. But if both of them they are true, that means we can return true. We can return true. So that's what we call the AND operator. That I said again that whenever both of them are false, okay, whenever both of them are false, let's say this one is true is okay, this one is true, let's say that is equal to 4, that means this one will be false and this one will be false, that means it will return false. Okay, so what you have to mention is that the AND operator can return true only when all the two expressions are true. Otherwise, it will be false. So let's now see the second expression that we call OR. Now the O is also comparing two expressions, one at the left and one at the right. And all these two expressions must be Boolean expressions. So the O now can check, okay, either one is true. If one of the two expression is true, that means this operator can return true. But if both of them they are false, this operator can return false. But if both of them again they are true, this operator can return true. That means this operator can return true whenever one of the expression is true, or both all the expressions are true. But it returns false whenever all the expressions are false. That's what we call the operator O. Let's check. Let me just comment this and check. So here we have result O, and here we have results. You see, this first one say that 9 is equal to 9. That's true. And here 8 is greater or equal to 10. That is false. And if one expression is true, that means even if the other one is false, that means this expression, this operator can return true. And if both of them they are false, this expression can return false. But if both of them they are true, this expression can return true. So let's run and see. Boom, we have true and we have false. Okay, we have true and we have false. See now this. Just comment this. See now this. The difference now is that this expression are the same, okay, but here we have false, here we have true, because this one is taking 1, this one is taking whenever both of them are true. If one of them is false, that means this one can return false, but this one for all is taken whenever one is true, and then it can return true. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to play the next video. Bye.